what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much as always for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's an 08 GT on 3-valve Wednesday. It's running the Edelbrock E4 Supercharger. We just installed this car, came in from the East Coast. It is otherwise bone stock, except for the Edelbrock we just installed. So you know these cars in the factory lay down around 260, maybe 270 real horsepower. We are going to watch a dyno pull to see what it makes out of the old 560E Edelbrock. Might have been a while since you've seen one of these kits because they've been on a long time back order. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, stay up to date. And don't forget, check the description. You can read a lot more about the Supercharger. But right now I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so what exactly do you get inside of a 560E Brenspeed Supercharger package? Doug, follow me. Let's go down and take a look. I want to talk about the 560E, and I want to talk about the difference between this kit and the Paxton and Vortex Superchargers that you see us do so many videos on. But this is the TVS 2300. It's an intercooled supercharger. So what is the 560E? It's about roughly 9-10 pounds of boost. You get full boost and you go wide open throttle because of course it's TVS style. You get 41-pound fuel injectors. You get that nice Edelbrock air induction system. We include Kohler spark plugs. We include a booster pump, you know, so we got to upgrade the fuel system. You don't want to run this stock fuel system, as well as you get the proper calibration. And hey, if you already have an SCT tuner, that's cool because you can use that. Or if you don't have one, we can ship one right out to you. Or of course, if you come here for an install, we can, you know, provide an SCT tuner to you. And hey, what's this cost to get installed? You simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But what is the difference between, you know, something like the Edelbrock? So back in the day, you watch these videos, see a lot of Roush, some Whipples. Well, guess what? Roush discontinued on the 3-valve. Whipple discontinued on the 3-valve. Edelbrock is one of the last TVS style superchargers available, which what we really like about these is when you go wide open throttle on this style supercharger, you get full boost. So a lot of guys want, you know, at 3,000 RPM, you go wide open, you get full boost. What's that mean? You get pretty much full torque. And when you watch that dyno pull, I will show you the graph where you'll see where the torque comes up right away. But the Paxton, the Vortex, the centrifugals, you know, super popular superchargers, that boost builds with RPM. So when you hammer it, let's say, you know, 2,000, 2,500 RPM, boost comes in light and it increases all the way to red line. So all the way to, let's say 6,500, 6,800, the boost increases the whole time, torque picks up the whole time. It's a little bit different feeling. Different guys like different things. But, you know, so right here we have the Edelbrock. Check out this dyno pull. All right, so here you have it, DynoJet SAE, 93 octane, manual transmission. Doug, take a look, 463 raw horsepower, peaking right at 6,300 RPM. I love that torque. 440 the tires, peaking at 4,400, but right here, Doug, 3,000 RPM or over 400 torque to the tires. And that is absolutely sick on the street out of a stock engine, 3-valve Mustang with stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, stock cams. I mean, no other mods this car. Doug, let's take one more look. 08 GT, California Special. I think it has about 80,000 miles, 93 octane manual transmission. I love this setup. So hey, if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment. We have it to answer. And you check that description. I'll put a link to this supercharger. And we do have these available with a little bit less horsepower than this one has right here. You know, this is for a stock engine, so that's cool. And of course, you can email quote@brenspeed.com, say, what's that cost to get installed? Thank you for watching.